How to record videos on an LG phone.
The home screen of an LG phone.
Recording videos with your LG phone is easy. To record a video, first open the camera app.
Bottom of the screen.
Then swipe at the bottom to highlight video and tap on the red record button to begin. Tap the pause button to pause recording and tap it again to continue recording on the same video file. If you wish to take a still picture while recording, tap the camera button. To end recording and save the file, tap the red stop button. If you want to record with the front-facing selfie camera, tap on the arrows in a circle on the right to swap cameras. Note that phones with multiple lenses will let you change the zoom level of the video by tapping on the arrow while recording. Press and hold on this to choose the zoom level and zoom to the desired magnification. Some phones may have other video recording modes, such as time-lapse to speed up playback to show long periods in a short time span, and slow-mo to slow playback to show short periods over a longer time span.
The icons of several camera modes on one page.
There may be other modes as well depending on phone model. You can select these recording modes by swiping between the modes at the bottom, or by going to More in the menu.
User Guide LG V40 ThinQ-LM V405DA.
Please refer to your product owner's manual for additional information on recording videos and available camera settings. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.
Icons for Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, email, phone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you were using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.